Welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana. So in this video, what are we doing? We have an equation. T raised to power t is equal to 7 and we need to solve it for t. We need to find the value of t. So in such cases, you can try by hit and trial method as well. Like you take 1 raised to power 1 is not equal to 7, right? 2 raised to power 2 is not equal to 7. 3 raised to power 3 is not equal to 7. But it lies between here because 2 raised to power 2 is 4 and 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So we have t between 2 and 3 somewhere because the value is 7, which lies between 4 and 27. Right? So our answer will be somewhere between 2 and 3. Okay. So now we have this t raised to power t is equal to 7. What is the solution? How do we do these questions? Whenever you see that power is a variable, always take natural log on both sides. Taking natural log, okay? Taking natural log on both sides, right? What will we get? Natural log t raised to power t, natural log 7, right? Now there is a formula. What is that formula? That log x raised to power a, or I can write here ln x raised to power a is equal to a ln a if I am using natural log here. Okay, so we have this. So that means this t will come here, right? And it will become t ln t is equal to ln 7, right? Okay, now there is another logarithmic rule. What is that rule? That rule is that e raised to power ln t is actually t. This e and log cancels out. Okay, so here we have t ln t. Can I write this t as e raised to power ln t times ln t is equal to ln 7. Then I will tell you why did I do that. Why would I write t as e raised to power ln t? Because I want to use Lambert function. What is Lambert function now? Lambert function. Lambert function is a function w that when it is applied on such a function e raised to e a times e raised to power a, means this and this should be same. This is actually equal to a. So whenever we need to solve such questions, we take the help of Lambert function. Okay, applying Lambert function. So when we apply Lambert function on an equation, what do we get? We apply it on both sides. ln t times e raised to power ln t is equal to Lambert function ln 7. Because whenever we apply on both sides. Okay, so this will become, as you can notice, this and this is same. So after applying Lambert function, it would become just ln t is equal to w of ln t, right? So now if I just want to ln 7, so now if I just want to find t, this t can be written as t is equal to e raised to power w of ln 7. So actually t is equal to this, but these values, that what is ln 7, you know what is ln 7? Ln 7 is actually approximately equal to 1.945. You can see this in log tables, and w of 1.945 is actually equal to what? 0.8922, right? So you can use a scientific calculator as well. T is equal to e raised to power 0.8922, and this would be approximately equal to 2.441. So what is T then? So you were supposed to find the value of T, and what is T now? T is equal to 2.44. Okay, so here we are done. We have found out the value of T. If you understood, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.